Hi, I'm Mike Timmons, sales consultant at Hammond Asset Ford in Madison, Connecticut. And today I want to tell you a little bit about the capless fuel filler that Ford introduced, almost 10 years ago. So don't be alarmed when you open up your fuel filler door to find there's no cap. Ford introduced the Easy Fuel, as I mentioned, about 10 years ago. And so you don't have to worry about tightening the cap properly or having it hang to scratch the door. When you go to fill in, you just stick the nozzle right through this flap here. There's another barrier on the inside that also the nozzle opens up. You pump away, and when you're done, you just pull the nozzle out, shut the door, and you're all set to go. If you'll notice, there is a little rubber liner around here that seals it up so no fumes get out or anything else. But you can avoid that check engine light coming on by not tightening the cap properly, because there is no cap. Enjoy.